Don't let the blue screen of death get you down. I will show you how to fix this problem step by step. So let's begin. Click on Advanced Options, select Troubleshoot, then click on Advanced Options. Now select Command Prompt. Now type chkdsk space /f space /r space c : and hit enter. Then we need to wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, move to the next step. Now type c : and hit enter. Now type cd space c : / and hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type cd space Windows and simply hit enter. Type cd space system32 and simply hit enter. Now type cd space config and simply press enter to execute this command. Now type md backup and simply hit enter. Now type copy space *** space backup and hit enter. Now type md space backup1 and simply hit enter. Now type copy ** backup1 and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd regback and hit enter. Execute this command. Type dir, then simply hit enter. Now type copy space ** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter to execute the command. Type in bootrec space /fixmbr and hit enter to execute the command. Now type in bootrec space /fixboot and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command cd space c : /. Now type this command cd space Windows /system32 /config /regback and simply hit enter to execute the command. Type bcd edit space /export space c : /bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type cd space c : / and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space boot and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now execute this command. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now execute this command. Type cd space c : / and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type attrib space c : \boot \bcd space -h space -r space -s and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type ren space c : /boot /bcd space bcd.olg, then simply hit enter to execute this command. And once done, let's move to the next command. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and hit enter. Type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.